Today I am going to discuss with you about forms of energy and uses, and this is part 2. So, in this discussion I am going to talk with you about furthermore about the energy types that we have learnt in part 1. So first I am going to talk with you about the kinetic energy. So, in part 1, I have told you about what is kinetic energy. A kinetic energy is if an object is moving, that object contains kinetic energy. So, an easy way to remember is the word motion. So, the word motion will remember you about the kinetic energy. So, you know a short word for kinetic energy. That means the meaning of kinetic energy is motion. So, now you know about what is motion. So then, potential energy. So here, you know what is potential energy. So that means if an object has a height, so as an example we can take a bird. A bird has a height between the sky and the land. So the height and also the strength that an object takes to do some work. The strength. So imagine a ball, a normal ball and a moving ball. The moving ball has some strength to do work. So since it is moving, you know it contains kinetic energy also. So, in potential energy, I am going to do a sum with you. Kinetic plus potential. That means, I will take an example of a bird again. So, this bird has a height, as I told you earlier. And also, this bird is flying. So, flying means moving. And then, with the potential energy, there is a kinetic energy also. Here, this bird is, this is a bird, and this bird is moving or else flying. So, it has kinetic energy, and also when it is in a height, so it also have potential energy. Now, let's do a sum. So, here is the sum. Potential energy plus kinetic energy. What is that? What is the answer? Yeah, you're right. The answer is mechanical energy. So, let's write the answer first. And now, I will give you some examples of how do we make mechanical energy. What is that? Likewise. So now, here are some examples. So, like I said earlier, a bird. And you know, the height between the sky and the land. So, there is a height, that means potential energy, and then the bird is moving or is flying, that means kinetic energy. So, here there are two energy types in this bird. So, this bird has mechanical energy. So, this bird has mechanical energy. So, let's take another example. So, the second example is a waterfall. So, here is a waterfall. So, this waterfall, the water is in the top. And then from the top, the water flows down. And then the top, since the water is on the top, the water has a strength and ability to hold the water on the top. So, it has potential energy, and the water is moving down, so then it has kinetic energy. So now this waterfall consists of potential plus kinetic, then the answer is mechanical energy. So now let's go to another example. So this is the summary of part 1 and part 2. So first one about kinetic energy. Kinetic energy means the movement, and then a simple word for movement is motion. And then the potential energy, strength or height, and there are two types of potential energy, gravitational potential energy and elastic potential energy. And also the sum of kinetic and potential is mechanical energy. And then heat energy or else thermal energy, and light energy we need to see, sound energy we need to hear, and chemical energy. Chemicals are fossil fuels, the food that we eat, and extra. So we eat chemicals. Now I hope you have learned something from these discussions. So hope to see you again, and bye friends.